today we would like to put a little bit more focus on magnets and eddy currents. So first the magnet and then the eddy current. That's a pretty common way to process these materials. Here a short principle how this unit works. So highlighted in red you can see the magnet field. So it goes very deep, it attracts all the ferrous pieces and drops it on the right side behind the splitter. Here a short example on the right side, a short video clip where you can see how fast you can change the belt due to the C-frame. So that makes it very easy to take off the used belt, the worn belt, and to put a new one on. So, and that is very important if you have a complex sorting plant where you do not have a lot of space, and that makes it much more easier for the operators, for the maintenance crew to change the belt. And so this is done in almost 10 minutes. You can see Mr. Silvio Urais, he's also using not just our magnets, also flake sorter for plastic production, but in that plant it's lightweight packaging. He is using our magnet to recover all ferrous material up front. Lightweight packaging application, here a showcase in Belgium. So with PreZero, as you can see here, one of the first steps after the material is shredded and screened, we have also our UME magnets to extract all ferrous material. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and hope to see and talk to you soon.